Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, let us try to solve some examples of the form ax plus b equals to c. Let's take an example here, and in here we want to solve for the variable, and in here the variable is b. 5 plus 5 is equal to 12 plus 4b. Okay, so we'll write them down in these different steps. First things first, we're looking at the right hand side. We have 12 plus 4b. So we want to get rid of the 12 on the right hand side. The only way we can do that is by adding negative 12 to both sides of the equation. Okay, so we're going to use the addition property and add, I'll say, negative 12 to both sides. Negative 12 to both sides. And how do we write that? 5 minus 12, that is what we've introduced here, is equal to 12 minus 12, like that, plus 4b. And if you look at the right hand side now, the positive 12 and negative 12 cancels out, leaving us with 4b on the right hand side. And on the left hand side we can simplify that, and when we simplify 5 minus negative 12, we are left with negative 7. And we want to find the value of 1b, but right now we have 4b on the right hand side. Therefore, in step 2, we're going to say we want to divide by the value, and the value is the coefficient of the variable term, which is 4 in this case. So we're going to divide by the coefficient of b, divide by 4 on both sides of the equation. And when we do that, this is what we're going to come up with. Negative 7 divided by 4, we'll put a circle around it, is equal to 4b divided by 4. So as you can see, the 4's in the numerator, 4 in the denominator on the right hand side cancels out, leaving us with b is equal to negative 7 over 4. So this is our answer. This is where we want to leave it. But in the meantime, we want to make sure that we have arrived at the correct solution. We want to go back and then check our work. The way to check our work is by substituting the value of b into the given expression. The given expression we have is 5 is equal to 12 plus 4b, and the value of b is negative 7 over 4. Let's write that down. 5 is equal to 12 plus 4 times negative 7 over 4, like that. And as you can see now, we have a 4 in the numerator, 4 in the denominator. Those cancel out, and when we simplify this is going to be 5 is equal to 12 minus 7, and then the value on the left hand side is 5, and when we simplify this, 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Therefore the value on the left hand side is exactly equal to the value on the right hand side, and therefore we can come back and then say the value of b, what we have obtained as negative 7 over 4, is exactly correct. So this is the way we want to use the division property to be able to division property or more than one property to be able to solve for these types of example problems. In my next presentation, we should look at some more examples using the form ax plus b equals to c and solve those example problems.